Want to give clients their own private dashboard with your branding? Here's how to create branded client portals in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and go to Settings. Then open Agency Settings or Sub-Accounts, depending on your setup. From there, choose the client account you want to customize and go into the Client Portal or White Label settings. Next, add your branding by uploading your logo, setting your brand colors, and customizing the portal name so it matches your business identity. After that, enable the modules you want your client to see, such as reports, conversations, calendars, or funnels, so they only access what you choose. You can also customize permissions to control what each client can view or edit. Once everything is set, save your changes and share the portal access link with your client so they can log in and view their dashboard. You have now learned how to create branded client portals in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.